Your plant is not dying from cold. It is drowning slowly. Most houseplants that die in winter are not thirsty. They are overwatered. And every time you add more water, you make it worse. Hi, my friend. If you love your plants and you want them healthy all year, subscribe to this channel. Here we talk about real plant care, simple tips, and mistakes that silently kill your plants. Winter watering is different. Very different. In winter, light is weaker. Growth slows down. Roots become less active. Water stays longer inside the soil. So when you water like summer, the roots cannot use that water. They suffocate and rot begins. The first big mistake is watering on a fixed schedule. Every 7 days, every 10 days. This is dangerous in winter. The calendar does not know your plant. Only the soil tells the truth. The second mistake is watering while the soil is still wet. If the soil feels cold and moist, even a few centimeters below the surface, do not water. In winter, roots die from too much water, not from dryness. The third mistake is using cold water. Cold water shocks the roots. It slows root activity even more. Always use water at room temperature. Let it rest before watering. The fourth mistake is watering at night. At night, temperatures drop. Absorption is slow. Soil stays wet for too long. Morning or midday is always safer in winter. So how should you water in winter? Water less, but water smart. Check the soil first, not the surface. Go deeper with your finger. Make sure the pot has drainage holes. Use room temperature water. Water slowly and evenly. Stop when water comes out from the bottom. And always empty the saucer. Never let roots sit in water. These signs mean your plant will come back strong in spring if you pass it correctly. Winter is a test. This is a warning. This is not thirst. No growth, but constant moisture. A bad smell from the soil. Drooping leaves while the soil is wet. Yellow leaves with soft stems. Do not water your plant. Less water in winter is better than too much love. How often do you water your plants in winter? Write the plant name in the comments. I will tell you if your watering is right or wrong. If this video helped you, please like it. Subscribe for more honest plant care tips. And share this video with someone who loves plants. May your plants stay healthy, your home stay green, and your care always be gentle.